Hello and welcome to Okuma's How-To. My name is Jochen Ondra. I'm the product specialist for multitasking machines and lathes in Okuma. Today I'm going to introduce Machining Navi LG. Machining Navi LG is a functionality which helps us to suppress chatters during turning. Today we're going to use this long ID turning tool, which intends easily to chatter. Of course, we could shorten the tool, but then probably it's too short for the next job, especially in a flexible manufacturing. Therefore, we have a system for chatter suppression. I will now start cutting with this tool, and we will have chatters in the beginning of the cut. After that, I'm going to activate Machining Navi LG. We now clearly hear the vibrations during the cut, and I now change to the Machining Navi screen and I activate the oscillation of the spindle. Now the spindle speed is changing permanently and the boring bar cannot come to a resonance, and I still have the chance to adapt and improve the surface quality by changing the parameters. The amplitude and the frequency is given by the system, so it helps me to find easily cutting conditions which give us a chatter-free surface. At the end of the program, Machining Navi LG will ask me whether I want to use this parameter in the program for future chatter suppression. I say yes, and in the future spindle oscillation is directly added to the program, and I can additionally record the actual data, and I find it back in the record display, and I can use it anytime for manual programming or other purposes. Thanks for watching our video today. Check our other videos on our channels. If you have questions or you need further information, you can contact me and my team under info@okuma.eu.